Hello friends, Audrey here. If you follow me for a while, you know that I used to use Leca on all my Hoyas. Well, if you watch my recent videos, you realize that I transport all my Hoya back into soil. In today's video, I'm going to explain to you why I decided to transfer all my Hoya back into soil. I did mention in the previous video that I have been struggling with my Hoya in Leca for the past winter. So most of my Hoyas actually on the shelves next to the east window during the past winter. Even though I set my house temperature to 67 Fahrenheit at nighttime, the water near the window got too cold during the nighttime that it actually caused cold damage on most of my plants in Hoya, that I have to move most of my Hoyas from the window shelves back to my growing light. Well, that created another problem for me because I have such a good light exposure near my east window that I cannot take advantage of. On the other hand, the Hoya growing so fast that they either get too long or they get too tall on trellis. They couldn't fit into my growing shelves for much longer. So my only solution is to pot them back into soil so I don't get cold damage during the cold weather. And that is one reason that I decided to pot my Hoya back into soil. Another reason I don't want to use Lecas is my water level. So a lot of my Hoya actually grow a lot of roots in the water, while that created another problem. I water my Hoya during a rooting, so I try to make a water day, maybe once a week. Sometimes I'll drag into like every other week to water all my plants during that day. But with my water routine, I don't really check my Hoya as I normally would. So some of my Hoya will be dry for too long that it's actually caused some damage. So I decided to top a lot of water so they will last for a week or a week and a half or 2 weeks. Well, that's created another problem, which is root rot in the Hoya that don't have much root development. And that's the second reason I decided to pot them back into soil so I don't have to be worrying about either giving them too much water or not enough water, so they will be suffer either way. I did enjoy the root my Hoya cuttings Leca because I used to check them all the time. Well, with my Hoya collection has been increased and the two babies, one's toddler, one is a baby stage, I really don't have much time to check on my Hoyas that often. And that's also created another problem for my Hoya cuttings in Leca. They either got too dried or they got too wet. So yes, that's another reason that I don't root my Hoya cuttings in Leca. I actually created a propagation box. I did have a propagation box tour recently, so I'll put a link down here if you guys want to check out that video. So literally all my Hoya cuttings are now in propagation box under moss. And they have a moss layer under it. It actually make my life so much easier that I don't have to check on them all the time. And at the same time, they have enough moisture, but they won't cause root rot because it's too much moisture. So yes, I definitely like my propagation box and the way I'm propagating my Hoya at this moment. So that's the third reason I decided to not use Leca on all my Hoya cuttings. I really hope you enjoyed this video. As I mentioned before, it is my personal choice that I no longer enjoy growing my Hoya in Leca. But if you enjoy growing Hoya in Leca, then stick with it. You may have a better result than me. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and also my travel channel on YouTube. I'll put the link in the description. I have been slack with that channel. I have so many travel videos. I just don't really have time to put them together and upload onto YouTube, which I need to do it. Otherwise, I'll have so many videos I have to post. Well, as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Happy growing!